So the first time I ever had a Peameal sandwich was at the X.
Wow.
And I was probably, I can tell you exactly how old I was. I was 9, or maybe I can't tell you. When does Windows 95 come out?
Sorry, for the gentleman who made fun of me not knowing ounces to pounds.
You have a degree! That's general measurements.
What school did you learn that in?
Elementary school?
You can't do the simple math of 83 to 95.
Touche, Mallory, touche.
That you learned in elementary school.
You love getting me, don't you? I can remember the day, Mallory,
Yes.
that I was introduced to Peameal bacon.
Why did you say it weird?
It is cured pork loin,
Right.
rolled in cornmeal.
Cornmeal. Some people like it without the cornmeal.
Some people do like it without the cornmeal. So do you remember when you were first introduced to it?
Probably at the ripe age of whenever I could chew it.
And when would you have been served it? At home?
Yeah, my mom and dad.
Carmen Tremarchi, my wonderful father, used to love going through the CNE, the exhibition building. It used to be that like new technology would be introduced at the X.
Right.
That summer, I remember we go and they had all these computer terminals set up and they were running Windows 95. And it was the first time we ever learned about the internet. I then remember we went to the food building,
Right.
food pavilion,
Yes.
and I had a Peameal on a bun. I eat them in breakfast. Do you ever have it for breakfast?
Yeah, of course. I get it at the farmer's market.
The Newmarket Farmers Market?
Yeah.
Ah, so,
Felt nice. Ew.
why do you say ew? It's tomato. Is it annoying you that I'm eating tomato right now?
It's okay. What's with the honey and the mustard? And the
Oh,
truffle
okay, so Vince has started making our Peameal bacon, which we still make today. So I would bring that home and on Saturday mornings, I would make myself Peameal on a bun.
I love it.
But I'm simple.
Yes.
So I would usually just get a Kaiser bun, some tomato,
Right.
a slice of cheese,
Yep.
and the Peameal. Then as I got older, I started liking honey mustard. So we're gonna make one of those, like a quick little mix today. And that's it. And you say you like mayo on yours?
Yes.
Ugh.
That's normal. Please comment if you would prefer mustard or mayo, or both. I'm clearly like a little bit of a picky eater. Not picky, but simple. Is that the way to say
No,
it?
you're not simple. You never make anything simple. It's like, Mallory, what do you want from Starbucks? I want a half this, triple bump, this
Okay.
whip. You wanted fried onions or I want fried onions?
You requested fried onions, but I'll eat them.
Okay, so we're also gonna fry some onions. I'll do the onions. You wanna cook the bacon? We're just assembling a really simple Peameal sandwich because we love Peameal sandwiches.
I don't know what's going on with this stupid burner.
Have you flipped them yet?
Yeah.
You already flipped them? When you're done cooking those ones, take them off. We're gonna do the other 3 on a hot pan.
It is hot. There we go.
Now we're talking.
talking.
Now we're cooking, okay?
Ooh, that's a smell I like to smell.
So I'm going 1 part mustard to 1 part honey. We're going equal. We're going 50-50. No, I don't think I can go 50-50. That seems like too much. I'm just gonna go. Are we going?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to cheese the bottom, but I am gonna do 2 pieces of Peameal. I'm going with a little honey mustard.
So I'm gonna put mayo on mine.
Ugh.
You don't say that to people.
Sorry, that's right. I don't judge you.
I'm gonna try your honey mustard.
You are?
Yeah.
You gonna try it first, like on the tip of your tongue, or are you just gonna like go for it?
I'm gonna go for it.
Okay. Oh, I didn't put onions.
Onions. Giancarlo.
Okay, ready?
Honey mustard's really good.
Didn't even measure. Just free poured it. We didn't have to say the word.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm remembering Windows 95 right now.